Hello everyone, it's Maddie with Spectrum Art Creations for SACs Academy. Our next upcoming class at the Academy will be the beautiful Prima Mixed Media Magic Love Tags by Frank Garcia, where we are going to be working on these fantastic, very layered tags using a whole bunch of mixed media techniques and a whole lot of amazing product. Now, I had promised to do a quick pre-prep video to go over the supplies that were included in the kit, as well as some additional ones that you will want to have at hand. So we're going to go over those supplies here really quick. And this way you will have your supplies ready for class, or if you were not able to purchase one of the kits before they run out, then you can gather up some of your supplies and be ready for class and follow along with something similar. So your kit includes the following items. It includes beautiful 12 by 12 collection decorative papers, and they are double-sided. Some of the pages have beautiful foiled accents. And for those of you who are Academy members, we will be going over the supplies in class as well. Your kit also included a full ephemera pack, as well as some decorative ware, which is the round frames, beautiful elements. In addition, you receive some flowers in your kit as well. Your impasto paint, delicious heavy body paint, as well as some sparks, and you got those in 2 different colors. Those are going to be a whole lot of fun to play with. You also received some Prima Finnabar glass beads, some adhesive tags. They also come in packs, so if anything that you see that you need, remember that we do actually can also bring them into our store. You got some memory hardware, beautiful beads as well, and that pack comes in different sizes. Some other decorative elements, such as the little berries in here with the pink and gold accents. And you received a Magic Love mold, which is gorgeous. It has a cherub, the little bow, buttons, a floral one, and it is silicone. So for class, and this is where we were discussing, you're going to need to have some of these items ready unless you have the 10-minute resin. So if not, you can use anything else, your hot glue gun, your plaster of Paris, your air dry clay. Again, it is a silicone mold, so it can be used with anything that you have in your stash. Some additional supplies that you're going to need is going to be the crackle paste by Stamperia, or any other crackle medium that you have in your stash. You might also want to gather some additional flowers, maybe some smaller ones that coordinate well with the paper line or whatever paper collection you choose to use for your tag bases. You will also want to get some kind of cups if we're going to be mixing any kind of resin. Pom-pom trim, mini pom-pom trim would be great. In addition to that, maybe something for the top of your tags, such as some seam binding or ribbon or whatever you have at hand. And then of course some gorgeous dangle trim. This happens to have little hearts, but you might have something different in your stash, so kind of look through what you've got. Also, you will want some dimensional foam tape or dots or strips or whatever you use to give your projects dimension. It is optional, but I highly recommend it, whether you have the roll or the individual ones. You'll want a pencil. You'll want some liquid adhesive, a small piece of acetate. This piece I think was like 3 by 4, and even at that we just need a small piece for the window of our shaker tag. And then that is Cosmic Shimmer acrylic glue, excellent for adhering acetate, your art glitter glue, or whatever other adhesive you prefer. You will want a small brush and a cup of water. Also a splatter brush. If you do not have a Tim Holtz splatter brush, then you can just use a small brush, scissors, a palette knife, a paper distresser. If you have one, great. If not, again, in class we will go through some additional options, and some baby wipes just so we can keep our surface clean. And then we're also going to need some soft gloss gel. If you do not have soft gloss gel, that's perfectly fine. You can use your SACs glue. So that will work also. I mean, also your art glitter glue. I do recommend the gloss gel, but again, we can always make do. You'll need either some kind of a tray to keep your beads and whatnot together. But if you don't, you can use a paper plate or, you know, a styrofoam plate, some kind of a tray that will help us maintain our area clean. Again, this is the 10-minute casting resin. Fantastic product. If you do not have this, then you definitely want to have at least 2 of the bows, 1 of the cherubs, and plenty of the buttons, okay, ready to go for class, and a hot glue gun for that super quick bond that always makes it easy. In addition to that, you are also going to want to have maybe some stickles at hand. Just find some really pretty colors that speak to you and that talk to the project colors that you're working on. In addition, you want to have some liquid pearls. Again, coordinating colors are great. Lots of beautiful colors in this paper collection. And you want to have something to cover your surface, whether it's a glass mat or whatever mat you prefer. If you have the silicone tool set that we carry, wonderful. If not, you can also use a toothpick. So have either one of those, because that makes your pouring your resin that much easier. And then, of course, the last thing to say is that I will see you in class, and I hope to see you also in the Facebook group. If you're not in our Facebook group, make sure that you join it, because that's where we do a lot of updates. We also post classes when they're going to be coming up. There's a full calendar on there with all the different events and challenges. Speaking of challenges, we actually have a Valentine's Day challenge happening right now in our Facebook group. So we would love to have you participate in that. Make sure that you answer the questions when joining the Facebook group or requesting to join the Facebook group so that we can get you in there. We'd love to have you in the Facebook group. Again, make sure you check out the Valentine's Day challenge and that you join that, because you have the opportunity to perhaps win a prize. So yes, definitely challenges are a whole lot of fun, and we do different ones every single month, as well as different classes and kits. Everything you've seen here, kit or not, even individual product that I've shown, is available in our online stores. We have 2 different stores to serve you online. In addition to that, we also go live every Saturday, starting typically at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We go live here on YouTube, and we do live YouTube sales where you can chat live and purchase live, and it's a whole lot of fun, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that. Again, if you are not a member of the Academy yet, well, what are you waiting for? Definitely join, because for one flat monthly fee, you get to partake in all of the classes and exclusive content, in addition to all of these perks. So I will see you at the Academy. Can't wait to create with you. Thanks so much, guys. Leave any questions down below, or again in the Facebook group. Bye for now.